So guys, for today's video, so we are cooking penne carbonara pasta. So this is it. So check this out guys, my own version penne carbonara pasta. So guys, this is my ingredients. So we have here 2 slices of chicken. I have onions. I have garlic as well. I have magic sarap. I have penne pasta of course. And I have black pepper. I have chili powder. I have Rago Alfredo white sauce. So this I'm using. And of course, I have cooking cream. Yes, for the pasta. And I have also Rimia garlic salad dressing. So I'm using also this one. It helps us to give more tasty of our pasta. So now I'm starting cooking with my penne pasta. So I put guys salt. Yes, I put also oil so that it will not stick together. And now I'm starting to cook. So all ingredients already prepared. I chop already the chicken, I chop the onion, and I chop the garlic. And now I already boiled the penne pasta. So I'm waiting to cook this one. Then after that, I'm starting to saute the all ingredients. So now already cook the penne pasta guys. So I'm putting on the other side. So now this all my ingredients. So you can try also in your house if you like. Now I'm putting the oil. And of course, next is the garlic. And after that, yes, now I'm already put the garlic guys. So this is the step by step to cook this my penne carbonara pasta. So now I next put the onions. Yes. And you need to mix this one and mix again until it colored golden color. Yes. And now guys, it already mixed and the color is already golden color. Down you can add that chicken, the 2 slice chicken that I have, and mix it very well. Yes. So you can try also in your home guys, and believe me, this is so delicious. And of course I put black pepper, so it depends on use, and chili as well I put for added spicy flavor. Yes. And now I'm mixing again so that it will mix. And of course I add magic sarap, so it will add tasty to my food. Yes, magic sarap guys, you can buy in all supermarket. It's available that from Philippine brand. Yes. So now the chicken is almost cooked, and I'm try to test, and the chicken is already cooked. And now we are ready to put our cooking white sauce. Yes. So first we put the classic Alfredo white sauce. Yes. So this is our main ingredients guys, our Alfredo. And of course we put also our garlic Rimia with Rimia dressing garlic flavor. Yes. And we need to mix it well. We need to mix it very well. Yes. Now it's okay. And now next one, we need to put our cooking cream so that our pasta it's creamy and tasty. Yes. And again, we need to mix it very well. Yes guys, you can try also in your home if you want to try this kind of recipe, and believe me guys, it's very delicious. So now I think it's already okay. So we need to boil at least 1 to 2 minutes. Then after that, and I put also salt to add more flavor. So guys, let's taste the soup. If it's good in consistency according to our taste. A little spicy with creamy and tasty, delicious. Yummy. So guys, my sauce is already boiled and I will include the pasta, the penne pasta. And as you can see guys, my sauce is so creamy and when I taste it, it's very delicious. So you can try also if you like in your home. Just follow my all ingredients and believe me, the taste is so delicious. Guys, I'm cooking white pasta. This is carbonara. So guys, my pasta now are ready and I already transferred to my bowl and it's ready to eat. Now let's just try our very own version pasta, penne carbonara pasta. Okay guys, let's try to eat our very own version of penne carbonara pasta. So let's try to taste. You know, the creamy with a little spicy with garlic. I love it. Yummy. Perfect.